Hello everyone, my name is Nicole. I'm here to show you a quick tutorial on how to find the postal walks, and I will guide you through how to deliver your flyers through Canada Post. So let's start. I'm on this page right here. I went through it through Launchpad. You can probably get there through Canada Post. I create my order. After creating my order, I click it again. From here, I know what area I want to send it to. So you are going to click this right here, delivery area counts and maps. Okay. Click continue. Scroll down to your province, Ontario, urban. Scroll. I'm going to do Woodbridge. L4H, okay? So I know that area, L4H, has where I want to go. So from that page, I'm going to put L4H into this right here. I'm going to title my mail piece, for example, just Flyers, Vellore Village. Click my size. Name, Nicole, contact, 647-404, fake number, I'm going to put. Perfect. Next step. So from there, it shows you picked L4H. From this page, it's going to show you where you drop off your bundles. So right here, my designated area, because of this postal code, is 707 Creditstone. So I'm going to click this right here, the FSA maps. As you can tell, we chose L4H. Okay, so you have to just click what sizes you want. Dropping it off the same day. Include mention of facilitation fees and taxes. Ontario. Continue. I only want homes, so I'm just gonna click homes. These are optional, so continue. Again, postal code FSA. I am going to put in L4H. Continue. So I'm zooming in on where I want to go, which is Weston Road, Major Mac. Going to zoom in. Let's say you want to send flyers to this subdivision right here, this little pocket right here, okay? I'm going to click these lines. It shows me on those specific streets in that postal walk, there's 762 homes. That postal walk is SS0132. Okay, now that I know that code, I'm going to put it back onto this page right here. I just want houses. L4H. Scroll down to that SS0132. That is 762 homes. That's where we want to send it to. My bundle is going to be 100 per bundle. I'm going to have 8 bundles, round up to 800. I'm supplying it myself. And then you click next step. After next step, you will get your total amount that is due. You pay, and that's it. Then after that, you will get your receipts, your mailing statement, and you will bring it to your designated Canada Post office, which is right here. And it's super easy from there. From there, you just hand them over the box that you brought it in and have it bundled. And there you go. That is how you deliver your flyers through Canada Post. If you guys like the video, just comment down below and press the like button. I hope you are all staying safe during this time. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Bye guys.